Welcome to 1736 East Virginia. This beautiful 2-bed, 1-bath is located minutes away from downtown, giving you the perfect combination of convenience and charm. As you walk in, you'll notice the beautiful wood flooring that flows through this entire unit. One of the standout features is a stunning rustic wood accent wall that adds the character of warmth, bringing this space to life. The open concept layout seamlessly connects through the living room and the kitchen, creating a perfect space for entertaining and relaxing. The farmhouse-style kitchen features a beautiful black stainless steel appliances, sleek silver hardware, and plenty of cabinet space for your cooking essentials. As we head down the hallway, you'll find additional storage with spacious hallways, closets combined with built-in shelving. Just across the hall, you'll find a beautiful sized bathroom featuring more built-in shelving, a bathtub, and modern fixtures. Next, let's step into the first bedroom. This spacious room offers double closets, providing plenty of storage, along with a private door that leads directly to your backyard. Step outside, you'll find a generously sized backyard, perfect for your coffee mornings, entertaining your friends, or simply enjoying the outdoors. You'll also find a convenient washer and dryer hookup located outside. This home offers comfort, character, and unbeatable location close to everything downtown has to offer. If this home is calling your name, we would love to show you. Schedule your tour today and come see everything at 1736 East Virginia Ave has to offer.